this is how to make a treble mesh stitch. You chain one, you yarn over second time 2 times, then you go into the stitch, the lower stitch, you chain one, yarn over 2 times, then go into the space, yarn over 2 times, go into the space, you chain one, yarn over 2 times, go into the stitch. This is called treble mesh stitch. So this is the outcome. You chain one, you yarn over 2 times, you go into the stitch, chain one, yarn over 2 times, go into the stitch, pull out 1, pull out 2, and pull out 3. So I prefer making my mesh stitches like this because it makes it to come out stronger and finer. What do you think? Is this how you do yours? 1, 2, and 3.